Alrighty, welcome back to another video today, everyone. Today I have this Cooler Master MWE White 450 watt 80 plus rated power supply from Cooler Master. Now, this thing is actually a pretty nice budget power supply purely because it's a brand new unit from Cooler Master. I'm pretty sure they just showed it off at CES, so it is pretty damn new. Now, what's actually special about it is it comes with all black cables. Basically, in today's video, I'm going to be opening it up, showing you all the things that come with it, and also just go over the specs. Anyway, let's get this thing open. You ready for this? Oh yeah, CPU box opener gang. Okay, so basically I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding a microphone in the other, so that's great. Alrighty. Ooh, nice opening of the box. Anyway, power cable is predicted. Ooh, big bubble wrap. Haven't seen that on power supplies. That's nice. Check that out. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's get this thing out of the box. Alrighty then, it looks nice and nice. We'll get that bubble wrap out of the way. Check out that bland as 120mm fan right there. So just looking in it, looks pretty nice actually. Definitely not a bad looking unit compared to all the other budget power supplies out there. So I did pick this up for about 50 Aussie dollars, which is about the same as Silverstone's ST50F, which is a 500 watt unit that's also 80 plus, but it doesn't have the black cables. So I'd say this is definitely a good value option if you're looking for that to graduate above mustard and ketchup cables. So yeah, going over the specs for this power supply, on the 12 volt rail it has 37 amps, so that's not too bad, and then 444 watts on there. So that's definitely not the worst power supply ever, 80 plus rated as you can see. And yeah, overall it's just a nice looking power supply. It does have a warranty sticker if you're wondering. If you want to open this thing up at some point to paint it or whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to do. So basically, going over the cables, we have your standard 24-pin motherboard cable, an 8-pin CPU cable which uses a slide mechanism to hold the two 4 pins together, two 6+ 2-pin PCIe connectors which are on the same cable, 6 total SATA power cables which are nice and flat so you shouldn't have any issues at all routing them to your SSD or hard drive. And last, we have 3 Molex connectors. And on a side note, it's definitely nice to see that they've finally done away with those floppy power connectors here. On another side note, the power supply also comes with a manual that details all of the different layouts for the different connectors. So if you ever need to splice anything open, definitely just refer to that manual and you'll have all the information you need. So that's definitely a nice addition by Cooler Master. So yeah, anyway, overall this power supply is definitely a pretty good unit for the price. I'll just update the comment section with letting you know how I'll go with the R9 with the R9 380 with overclocking it and whatnot. I'll have an i5 4590 in the same rig. So we'll see how that goes. And if it turns out this power supply unit is broken, I'll definitely let you know down in the comments. But yeah, anyway, overall, nice unit. Would recommend buying. Or if it's broken, I'll let you know down in the comments, and then maybe it's not such a good buy. But yeah, all the cables, really good layout for them with having two dedicated cables with 3 SATA cables each. That's a total of 6 SATA drives. So definitely a good selection there. Anyway, that's about it for this video. If you liked it, let me know by dropping a like down there. And also drop me a comment if you have any questions about the power supply unit. I'll try to answer them best as I can. And yeah, I also have a Discord server that you should definitely join. I'll put a link to it around here somewhere. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you all in the next one.